चलिए यहाँ तक क्लियर। मैं एसएलसी में क्या करना चाहती हूँ, इट इज़ क्लियर। चलिए, व्हाट इज एसएलसी? एसएलसी इज स्टूडेंट लेड कॉन्फ्रेंस which is led by students. I'm not talking about LED LED. I'm talking about LEAD LED, which is the past tense of lead. लीड मतलब लीड करना, आगे बढ़ना, या फिर आगे से लीडरशिप की क्वालिटी हाथ में लेना। डन। स्टूडेंट लेड कॉन्फ्रेंस समझ में आया? which is headed by the students. So here you are going to explain your parents, and this time lead has given us the option. हम SLC हर साल करते हैं, this time lead has given us the option of SLC at school जो हम जनवरी में करने वाले हैं। SLC at home, जो ये कॉन्सेप्ट, ये जो मैं आपसे करवा रही हूँ वो ये SLC at home है, इसमें हमें करना क्या है, आपको जो भी टीचर्स, या मैंने कहा था यू कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन ऑल द सब्जेक्ट। SLC at स्कूल में क्या होता है, हम एक सब्जेक्ट में पार्टिसिपेट करके अटक जाते हैं। सो you don't have that much option in SLC at school to show your talent in all the subjects. Here you have the option of showing your talent in all the subjects. So is that clear till now? Is that clear? What I want you to do in ELGA is take any picture comprehensions, like any picture scene comprehension like this, and explain this. What I always do to elaborate my pictures, what I always do to elaborate my ideas. मैं अपने आइडियाज़ को और बढ़ाने के लिए क्या करती हूँ? What questions I am asking? Please ask जोर से। What questions I am asking?
What, when, how, why.
Ask the questions. Look at the picture and ask the question what, where, when, how, why. You will get your elaborated version. Can I give you the examples? First, what is the scene about? Maybe the garden. Your choice, your answer. Maybe the garden, park, joggers park. Yes or no? So, this is the scene of a garden or a joggers park where a lady is walking with a dog. If I want to go on more description, give her a name. She is Sheila. She is jogging with her dog Bruno. Sheila has wore red sweater because it is winter. The cold is there, right? Bruno is running and Sheila is trying to catch her. My answer, my choice. Yes or no? This is just the version of Sheila and Bruno. There is one more man who is running. I think he is running. Can I give him a name?
Yes.
Let's say, for example, he is Mr. Mehta. Yeah, he is Mr. Vikas Mehta. Right? The man in the green jacket or green sweater, he is Mr. Vikas Gupta. Vikas Mehta. Vikas Gupta, your choice. Right? He is a bank manager. He works at HDFC Bank, Morbi 1 branch. I'm just going on the elaborations. Yes or no? Right? He is very health conscious, so daily at 6 in the morning, he comes and jogs here. या फिर he comes and complete his exercises in jogging part. Is that Are you getting my point? Is that what you are doing? What you are doing? You are elaborating the scene. I have just elaborated the two pictures here. I have just elaborated the two pictures here. You can give any name to them. Your choice, your answer. Yes or no? What I am doing is I am trying to speaking out without any fear. Have I any ruttified in my mind? Have I anything ruttified? No. There is one also there. I think there is one boy. Yes, sir. He is in the black shorts and yellow t-shirt. Right? His name is Abdul. His name is Abdul Wahid. He is studying in the grade 6, Sevi International School, Morbi. He is one of the brightest student in the class. I am just elaborating myself. Your choice, your answer. You can give any other name. What I am telling is there is no need to ratify the sentences. There is always a choice of elaboration. There is always a choice of elaboration. There is always choice of elaboration. Abdul is very health conscious. He loved to take part in Olympics. National meaning international level. He loves to take part in international Olympics. Yes, he is trying for sprinting. Sprinting means running. एक category है. Olympics का एक category है. Yes or no? He is going to take part in 1,000-meter running race. So he is practicing for that. He is exercising. Exercising is very good for everyone. Morning exercise always works as the energy boosters for us. बोलो कौन से लेवल पे लेकर जाऊँ? मैं तो अभी सिर्फ 3-4 जन को एक्सप्लेन कर चुकी हूँ. अभी मैंने गार्डन सीन तो एक्सप्लेन ही नहीं किया है. I have not explained. There are many flowers with the pink. There are many birds flying in the sky. Even sun is there. The sun is on the rising mood. The sun is on the rising mood. I am talking about mood. This is figurative language, metaphor. Sun का mood अभी उगने को हो रहा है, या फिर sun is just trying to open his eyes because थोड़ा sun डल दिख रहा है. Metaphor मतलब figurative language, जहाँ मैं किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को इंसान की तरह ट्रीट कर रही हूँ. मेटाफर मैंने समझाया था. Yes or no? I am happy today. I am feeling on the top of the world. My pillow is as soft as cloud. My pillow is cloud for me. समझाया था ना? समझाया था ना? Right? तो what is metaphor? You can use this. Sun is just trying to open his eyes. Sun अभी just उग रहा है. Okay. What I want to tell you is, you can elaborate your picture in any of the way you can. And I am just trying to speak in English. So that is what the positive thing I am doing. What I am doing? I am just trying to apply all my knowledge, all my SVO structure, these, those, all my preposition, pronoun, every knowledge, adverb, adjective, all the knowledge I am trying to use in the explanation. I am trying to use in my speaking skills. So is this wonderful? Can you do this? Yes, everyone can do this. Trying is more important. What I am telling you is, trying is more important. बैठे रहने से कुछ नहीं होगा. We cannot do anything just by sitting. Trying is important. So what I am going to do is, and I have given you the example of this. You can take any scene. I'm not giving you particular this scene. You can take any of the scene, whatever scene you want. समझ में आ रहा है? जब आपके पेरेंट्स आपके लिए सीन चूज करेंगे, जब आपके पेरेंट्स आपके लिए एक सीन चूज करेंगे और आप कोई भी सीन एक्सप्लेन कर पाओगे ना, मैं तो कह रही हूँ ग्रामर मिस्टेक के साथ, आई एम नॉट टेलिंग यू टू बी द परफेक्ट, not telling you to be the perfect, but best if you are consciously avoiding all your mistakes. If you are trying consciously to avoid your mistake, it is okay, very good, well done, proud of you. But if you are unable to do it and making some grammatical mistakes, it's okay. Confidently narrating your picture in front of your parents, that too in English, that is more important at that part. आपके पेरेंट्स को ये खुशी होगी कि ये पिक्चर उसने रटा नहीं है, पिक्चर तो मैंने ढूंढा, मैं कौन सा पिक्चर ढूंढने वाला था उसको थोड़ी पता था। क्या आपको सपना आने वाला है पापा यही ढूंढने वाले हैं, मम्मी यही सिलेक्ट करने वाली है, हाँ या ना? एंड स्टिल आई एम टेलिंग यू नॉट टू प्रूव योर सेल्फ, just to be confident enough to speak in front of anyone. How much proud your parents will feel whenever they will see like this, whenever they will see something like this. Make mistakes are always acceptable, if I am trying. If I am not trying, I am not going to make any mistakes. I am 41. I always say these words. I am still learning. I am 41. I am still learning. And what is my tagline? I learned till the last breath of my life. Yes or no? So if at the age of 41, if I am learning, you are learning too, darlings. Don't hesitate with the mistakes. Don't hesitate with the mistakes. Mistakes are about to come. Okay. If I'll make mistakes, I'll be clear. I'll be stronger enough to identify mistakes. I'll be stronger enough to rectify my mistakes. Is that clear? And give it a suitable title. Give a suitable title.